Look at your baskets.
Look.
Drez, look. He's already picking up the eggs.
Candy.
Oh, candy.
Hey.
Those are cool, huh? What's in there?
Whoa, look at Daddy.
Whoa. Did the Easter Bunny come?
Yeah. Maybe soon.
Look around. Look around. There's eggs everywhere.
Look.
Oh, cool. You get...
This car.
Oh, wow. Nanook, don't eat the candy.
Whoa, look at candy.
Oh, wow. Each egg has candy in it. Go look around the house. There's eggs. The Easter Bunny hid eggs everywhere.
So. Drez, wait. Come here.
What?
Take this basket. You're going to go around collecting eggs.
Okay, wait, hold on. Let's get some more eggs.
Devin.
He wants to eat the candy now.
Devin.
Whoa, look. More candy.
Oh, wow.
Here, take this
No,
basket.
no, no.
Let's go collect the eggs.
Let's go chocolate. I don't think he'll eat that, but...
Here, let me see that. I want that one.
Look, more candy.
Yeah! Okay, go around and go get some eggs. Look, guys.
Carry your basket.
Carry your basket. Go find some eggs.
Okay, that one's going to be yours. Devin, here.
Okay.
Go look around. Look, Devin. Oh. Devin. Devin, look. There's eggs.
Look,
I think
Devin.
Devin or Dresden already opened that one.
There's
Look
one
at
over there.
that. Look, there's eggs. He just opened them up as they go. What's that?
Oh, God.
Oh, those ones open differently. Keep looking for some more eggs. Come on, Drez, look around. Look, there's eggs. Go look. Go look around the house. Oh, wow, you found one. Go find some more. Go find some more.
Look, Devin. Come on. Go find
Oh
eggs.
my gosh! Devin, come on, go find some eggs. It's so exciting.
Come on.